at the gas station, about to get out and pump me some gas, some of this high and expensive gas. And I was sitting here thinking that, isn't it funny that the kind of car you drive or the model you drive dictates the kind of gas that you have to buy? It would be nice to have a vehicle that you could use regular unleaded gas in. It's much more efficient and cost efficient for you. But some of us choose to be in a premium kind of vehicle, and the premium vehicle dictates the kind of gas you use. So you have to have premium unleaded. I can't even tell what the gas is, $4.10 a gallon, as opposed to $3 a gallon. So there's a whole nother dollar sitting here at the gas station that I gotta pay. I like the idea of premium, but I like the cost of unleaded. But think about it. The unleaded gas can't go into the premium vehicle. The premium can go into the unleaded, the regular, but they can't swap out. And that's the same way it is with your life, your spiritual life, your natural life. Some of us, God has delivered us, brought us out, redeemed us, taken us out. And in your spiritual walk, you're still trying to put unleaded regular gas in a premium vehicle. It won't work. You'll tear the motor up. So some of us ought to be glad that you've been delivered from that stuff, that you got out of that thing, that God has rescued you, redeemed you, brought you out, delivered you from regular unleaded living, and now you got premium kinds of standard. Don't be tempted and don't give in to unleaded regular living. If God has brought you into this wealthy place, into this place that only a certain kind of diet, a certain kind of lifestyle, a certain kind of people, a certain kind of holiness will do you, don't cheapen it by putting unleaded back in it, because all you're going to do is damage the motor. All you're going to do is damage the living experience. God has rescued you. Don't go back to cheap living. You can put yours into theirs, but you can't put theirs into yours. Boom. So you have a fantastic day. Stop living on unleaded regular, if that's not what you do. For those who are unleaded and regular, thank God for you. But if you've been delivered and rescued out of that, don't go back into it. God has shut the computer screen. God has taken the taste out of your mouth. God has rescued you from that relationship. God has given you another chance and another chance and another chance. Don't go back into a trap that's set for you. Have a blessed day. Do it on purpose.